Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are starting mathematics, primary mathematics new syllabus Oxford second edition. This is for grade 4. We will be starting from chapter 1. The name of the chapter is numbers to hundred thousands. So the way name starts with the numbers to 100,000. So here we will be learning and playing with the numbers. We will get to know their arrangement. Okay, how do we write the big numbers, okay, in figures, okay, and also how do we write them in English, translate them into English, okay. So let's start. We will start from lesson 1, counting to 100,000, counting to 100,000, okay. The very first thing you need to learn is that learning starts from the right side. Here we write ones, okay. Ones, you know, from 0 up to 9, okay, the numbers falling between 0 to 9, they are ones. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called ones. Their value is, what is the value of 9? 9. What is the value of 1? 1, okay. So we start from the right side, ones, then we write tens, okay. Tens means that if there is one number here 1 and one number here 1, so 1 and 1 we know it is 11, okay. In 11 this part is called ones and this part is called tens, okay. So 11 has 1 tens, okay, right. Then after knowing this, that right side is ones, then we move to tens, then we move to hundreds, okay. This is, we are moving to bigger values. Here we have small values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. Then we move to bigger value 10, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If we write 9 here, 5 here, we say it is 95. It has 9 tens and 5 ones. Okay, here this is the way to write 95. 9. How many tens in 95? 9 tens. How many ones in 95? 5 ones. Okay. Then we move to even the bigger number, ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, hundreds. When we say 325, we read it as 325. It says, this figure says that 325 has 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Okay. So by this way, it is becoming 325. It has 5 ones, 2 tens and 3 hundreds. So it is a bigger number, 325. Okay. Now, if we try to even move to even bigger number than hundreds, that will be called as thousands. If I write here 6, so we have 6, 3, 2, 5. We will be reading it as 6,325. Okay, but when we analyze this, when we study this number, we say that in this number we have how many thousands? 6 thousands we have. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds we have. How many tens? 2 tens we have. Okay. How many tens? 2 tens. How many ones? We have ones, 5. Okay. We have 6 thousands, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay. So by this way, it becomes 6,325. Okay. But here we need to know one thing, that if it is only 25, we can split it in two parts, this and this. How many times? 2. It is 25. Okay, so it means here we have 20, and if we put plus, here we have 5. It becomes 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, this is one way. Then if we write 325, we can split this number 325 like this. We know this is the value of 3 is much, how much? 300. We will say its value is 300 plus, what is the value of 2? The value of 2 is 2 into 10, 20. The value of 5 is 5 into 1, 5. So we can write 325 as 300 plus 20 plus 5. Okay. So keep in mind one thing, that we multiply with 1, whatever digit is here. We multiply with 10, whatever figure is here. We multiply by 100, whatever figure is here. We multiply by 1000, whatever figure is here. Why do we multiply? To know the value of the numbers. If I say that I need to find the value of this number, so I'll see it is falling under 1000, so I'll directly multiply it with 1000. 6 multiplied by 1000, so its value is 6000. Okay, the value of 6 is how much? Now we will find the values of all the numbers. What are their values? What is the value of 6? It is falling under, coming under 1000, so I'll straight away multiply it with 1000. Its value is 6000. Okay, I need to know the value of 3. 3 is coming under 100, so straight away I'll multiply it with 100. It will be 300. Its value is 300. Okay, now 2. I know that it is falling under 2, okay, under 10, so straight away I'll multiply it with 10, becomes 20. The value of 2 is 20. Here I have 5. I know that it is coming under 1s, so straight away I'll multiply it with 1. It becomes 5. The value of 5 is 5. The value of 2 here is 20. The value of 3 here is 300. The value of 6 here is 6000. Okay, so this is the way to find the values of the numbers. Okay, so keep in mind how we'll do more examples so that you should be comfortable in finding the values of the numbers. If some bigger number is given and you're asked to find the values of all individual numbers coming in that number, so you can easily find. Let's suppose it has 7, 0, 5, 2. Okay, so we start from the left side. If I need to find the value of 7, I know it is coming under 1000. Straight away I'll multiply it with 1000. It becomes 7000. Value of 7 is 7000. Here 0 is coming under hundreds. I'll multiply it with 100. You know that anything multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. So value of 0 is 0. Here we have 5. Okay, I know that it's coming under tens, so straight away I'll multiply 5 with 10. It becomes 50. So the value of 5 is here 50. And for 2, I know it is coming under 1, so straight away I'll multiply it with 1. It becomes 2. So value of 2 is 2. Okay, so simply the value of 7 is 7000. Value of 0 is 0. Value of 5 is 50. Value of 2 is 2. Okay, so I think we should do more examples so that the concept should be very clear for you. So let's start. 9, 3, 2, 0. This is a number 9320. So we need to find the value in place value. Okay, it is also called value of number is called place value. We are here finding the place values of numbers. Okay, if I need to find the value of 9, I know it is coming under 1000. Straight away I'll multiply it with 1000. 3 is coming under hundreds. Simply straight away I'll multiply 3 with the 100. 2 is coming under 10. I'll multiply it with 10. And 0 is coming under ones, so I'll multiply it with 1. So we'll see 9 into 1000 is 9000. 3 into 100 is 300. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. So the value of place value of 9 is 9000. The place value of 3 is 300. The place value of 2 is 20. The place value of 0 is 0. So this is how we find the place values of the digits in a number. What is a digit and what is a number? 0 itself, it is a digit. 2 itself is a digit. 3 is a digit. 9 is a digit. But when we combine, we say 9320, 9320, it becomes a figure. If we say 35, 5 is a digit. 3 is a digit, okay? But when we say 35 is a number. Similarly, if we say 137, 7 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 1 is a digit. But when we say 137, so it is a number, okay? So from this number, we have found the place value of all the digits, okay? So this is how to find the place value of the digits in a number, okay? So I think we have done sufficient examples to help you understand the basic idea of finding place values, okay? Now we need to do another thing is, let's suppose we have this number with us. Here we will find the place values of all the digits and we will put a plus sign and this number can be written in that way. How? You know that, I know that 7 is coming under 1000. 7 into 1000 is 7000. Put 7000. It's the value, place value of 7. Then put a plus sign. The place value of 3 is 300. Put plus sign. Place value of 2 is 20. Plus sign. Place value of 5 is 5. Okay. So this number can also be written in this way. If you add all these, you will get the same number. Okay. So if we want to express this number in English, okay, how to express this in alphabets, okay? So this is 7. We'll write 7. It is coming under thousands. We'll write 7,000. Okay. This is 3. Write 3. It is coming under 100. 300. Okay. These two we will combine. Okay. These two we will combine. 2 and 5 is 25. It is 25. We will write 25. Okay. So this number 7325 can be spoken in English as 7,325. Okay. 7,325. Okay. If you want to put here and, it's okay. If you don't put, it will not harm. 7,325. Okay. This is in alphabets. In English, we can write this one like this. Okay. Now, we have given you the basic idea. Now we will like to move to the page number 2, where one question is given. Okay. So also in that question they have given us another idea. First let's discuss that idea, that from the right side, we start with the ones. I'll rewrite because we have less space, so that things should be clear to you. Here, ones, then tens, then comes hundreds, then comes thousands, okay, and then comes 10,000s. You need to memorize ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. I'll repeat: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. So now it is a big number. If we write something, some digit here, 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 it will become a bigger number. So first of all, we'll try to find the place values. If not, suppose the example is given, we will try to follow that example on page number 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we need to find the place value. Okay. Keep in mind, for the ones, you need to multiply with the one, the digit which is coming here. For the digit which is coming under tens, multiply that number with the 10. When you move to hundreds, the number, the digit who is coming here, multiply it with 100. You will get the place value of the digit. For this digit, just multiply it with thousands. Okay. And for here, just multiply it with 10,000s. Okay. Here you have 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, here 4 zeros. Okay. So when we talk about the place value, so we need to find, now we'll be talking about place value. What is the value of 4 in this number? Okay. So just simply I'll multiply 4 with the 10,000. It will be the value of 4. I'll multiply 3 with the 1,000 to get the value of 3. I'll multiply 5 with 100 to get the value of 5. I'll multiply 6 with the 10 to get the value of 6. And I'll multiply 7 with the 1 to get the value of 7. Okay. So let's move ahead. 4 into 10,000 is equal to 40,000. Okay. 3 into 1,000 is equal to 3,000. 5 into 100 is equal to 500. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Okay. So if someone asks you what is the place value of 4, so you will tell that 40,000 is the place value of 4. If someone asks about 3, you will say the place value of 3 is 3,000. For 5, the place value of 5 is 500. For 6, the place value of 6 is 60. And for 7, the place value is 7. Okay. So this is about the place value. Okay. So then we will move ahead and we will try to write it in another way. I told you that another way to write is that for this, what is the value of place value of this? 4, 40,000, right? 40,000. This is the place value of 4. Plus, put plus. What is the value place value of 3? 3,000. Put 3,000. Then put plus. What is the place value of 5? 500. Put plus. What is the value of 6? 60. Put plus. What is the value of 7? It is 7. So this number can also be written in this way. If you will add all these numbers, you will get the same number. Okay. So here we have 40,000, 3,000, 500, 60 and 7. Okay. You can do another thing, that here it is thousands, here it is thousands, here we don't have thousands, same, these are same. So you can add these two because these are same, 1,000, 40,000 plus 3,000, 43,000. okay, and plus you know that this is hundreds. You can combine. We will now combine these three. Okay, combining means you know that 567 is 567, so you can write it like 567. Okay, so this number can be written like this, and this number also can be written like this. Okay, both the ways are correct. Okay, so here they say that the digit 4 is in the 10,000 place. Okay, it stands for 40,000. Okay, its value is 40,000. Okay, the digit 3 is in the 1000 place, its value is 3000. Okay, the figure 5 is at hundreds place, so its place value is 500. Figure 6, digit 6 is under 10, so its place value is 60, and its place value is 7. Okay, so this was question number 1 on page number 2. Okay, so this is how we find the place values, and this is how we can write it in this way, and also we can write it. This is the sum of place values. This is the sum of place values. Value of 4 plus value of 3 plus value of 5 plus value of 6 plus value of 7. Okay, then we just added these thousands. 40,000 plus 3,000, it became 43,000, and we combined these three. 567, we write 567. So this number can be expressed as a sum of place values, and also it can be expressed in this way. Okay, so if we go on page number 3, the same number has been shown in another way in terms of place values. We know that it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, we know that place value of 4 is 40,000. We'll write it like this: 40,000. Place value of 3, we know that it is 3,000. Place value of 5 is, we know that it is under 100, 500. Place value of 6, we know that it is 60. Place value of 7, we know that it is 7. So it is written in this way, and below this it is mentioned value of digit 4 is 40,000, value of 3 is 3,000, value of 5 is 500, value of 6 is 60, value of 7 is 7. Okay, so now how to write this number in English form? Okay, we have ones, tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s. Okay, the number is 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how to write or express this number in English? Okay, so remember one thing. Last two we have 1,000 common. Here we have thousands. Here we have thousands. We'll combine these two. We'll combine these two figures, two digits. This is 43. You can see this is 43. So we will write 43. Will from here, these are common. We will take 1,000 one time. It is 43,000. Okay. We will combine these three numbers. Okay, this is 567. You know that this is 567 is 567. So we will write 567. Okay, so this is the way to express a number in English form. Okay, so 43567 we can read it like 43,567. If you put and, no problem. If you don't put, still it is the same. Okay, 43,000, they have put 43, they have put a hyphen here. If you put don't put, no issues. Okay, 43,567 is the same like 43,567. there is no difference. Okay, so now we will be moving to question number 2 on page number 3. This is the continuation of the same topic where we will be doing a practice so that the concept should be very clear for you. Okay, so it is written that there is a number. We'll write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This you need to remember, memorize. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, and the given number is 1, 4, 3, 5, 9. Okay, here we will do two things. The first thing is that we will find the place value of all the digits, and the second thing is we will try to write it in English. Okay, we know that to find the place value, I'll multiply this with 1, this with 10, this with 100, and this with 1000, and this with 10,000. This is the way to find the place value. So the place value of 1 will be 1 multiplied by 10,000. The place value of 4 will be 4 into 1000. Place value of 3 will be 3 into 100. Place value of 5 will be 5 into 10. Place value of 9 will be 9 into 1. So 1 into 1000 is 1, sorry, 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. Its value is 10,000. Its value is 4,000. Its value is 300. Its value is 50. Its value is 9. Okay, so we can write the place values. So if anyone asks, tell 1 has a place value of 10,000, 4 has a place value of 4,000, 3 has a place value of 300, 5 has a place value of 50, and 9 has a place value of 9. Okay, these are the place values of all the digits. Now we can represent or write it in the form of sum of place values like this. It has 10,000 plus it has 4,000, it has 300, it has 50, it has 9. So we can write it in this way. Okay, if we want to translate this into English, we'll do one thing that I'll tell you how to tell this number in English. Okay, so to express this in English, we have this one is thousands. Thousand is also coming here. This is common. So we will just combine, join them. This is 1 and 4 is 14. 1, 4 is 14. We will write 14. Here it is 1000, here it is 1000 common. We will take one time this 1000. 14,000. Okay. Then we will combine these three. 359, you know it is 359. So we'll write 359. So we can write or spell in English like 14,359. Okay, so this was the second question. First and second questions were the same. First, to find the place values of the digits. Number 2, to write them as a sum of the place values. And number 3 is that how to spell or write in English letters. Hopefully we have tried to communicate and convince you about the place value and how to translate numbers into the English alphabets. Okay, so we have quoted and solved many examples. Please watch the video. If you feel that this is useful, please watch it again and again, so that it should be very easy for you. Like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.